Hi, today we're going to talk about improving you in the discovery. One of the bad discovery questions that I've seen myself asking and other people were asking was this. So, would this make a difference for you? So, you present a concept, like they tell you the pain that they have, and then you say, oh great, we have a solution and it works like X, Y, and Z. Like, do you think it's going to make a difference for you? Very, very, very basic question, like a slow, little subtle manipulation that you do. The problem with this question is that prospects, they're already ready for it. They know that, it's really a yes, it's an auto yes question. They're going to be stupid by telling you, we have a pain, and then you tell them, oh, we have a solution, do you think it's going to help? And then you ask them this question, like it would be very stupid for the prospect to tell you no. So you automatically push them into saying yes. Now the problem with this, that it's very easy for the prospect to understand what you're doing. So the better way to achieve even a better result by asking a similar question is transforming it from the auto yes question that they don't like and they suspect from you into the auto no question. Because then, for example, they tell, oh, we have a problem with this and this, and then you say, we have a solution and it works like this and this, but at the end of the day, it's not such a big problem, this wouldn't make any difference, right? And then if they tell you, no, it's not going to make a huge difference, they're going to tell you, they just confirm that this is not real pain, so you don't really have to sell them. But they're not stupid. Most of the times they're not going to tell you no. They're going to tell you, actually, I think this would make a difference because we would be doing X, Y, and Z, and, can you tell me more about that thing? And you start a conversation. Very easy, very simple. If you want to see this question and other questions that I've prepared for you to go like a quick cheat sheet, you can just go and sign up for the first link in the description. It's going to be a new course for the Web3 Sales Gym, and everybody in the course will get a 50% discount for everybody that signs up. I'm planning to drop the course. We'll see, I'm working on it right now, and we want to have something by the end, like this quarter, yeah, for sure. And at the end of the day, Web3 Sales Gym, you always have the YouTube, you always have the community where you can go and you can chit chat with the people, and more than 300 videos on YouTube. So there is a ton of information for any sales problem that you might find having. And if you don't, and there is like a topic that I still didn't make a video on top of it, just let me know. Just write me either in Telegram or write in the community. For example, last week we did a video about projecting, and one of the viewers of the channel, they requested it. They didn't know about anything about it, so just gave a couple of ideas, and that was a real help. So if there's a specific topic that I didn't cover on the channel, or maybe a specific aspect of the topic that I didn't cover on the channel, or something that you didn't understand, just write me about it. And if it's a good topic, we're gonna make something about it next month. Thank you so much. Bye bye.